What's up, team? All right, so we're gonna learn about the seated chest press machine. Yes, seated chest press. All right, now you've seen this machine in most standard gyms, but you probably don't know the difference between these grips, right? You got your wide grip, and then you got your neutral grip, right? Again, wide, neutral. I'm gonna teach you the difference and where you should have proper seat placement. These handles do actually mean something. They're not just here for a reason or shaped funny for no reason. All right, so before I get into the wide grip and the neutral grip, I want you guys to pay attention to where you're seated, right? As you can see here, I'm sitting down here, but the handles are at my shoulder. Can you see that? They're right at my shoulder. That's wrong. You don't want the handles to be at your shoulder. It is a chest press. You want to take as much shoulder out of it as possible. So you want the seat to be up so it's aligned with your chest. And this is for male or female, for any human. You want it to be aligned with your chest. Okay, so first we're going to start with the wide grip, right? Wide grip, as you can see, I've already adjusted my seat so it's at my chest level and I'm not down here at my shoulders. All right, the wide grip. Now, if you want to really focus on the entire chest area, which is called the pectoralis major, right? But the entire chest, you get a greater range of motion in a wide grip. As you can see, my entire chest is being activated here, right? In a wide grip. Now, let's go to the neutral grip. Moving to the neutral grip, inner here, right? Now, you want to keep the elbows close to the body and you're gonna press. Now with the neutral grip, you're gonna have more of a tricep coming in, you're gonna have more of a front shoulder coming in. So less of the chest is being worked here because you have more muscles coming in, right? But it's also focusing on the inner part of your chest here, right? So that's why you wanna keep those elbows nice and tight. So you can, when you press out, you wanna get a nice squeeze in that chest. Make sure you keep the elbows tight. Don't keep them out here, right? That's for the wide. Keep them tight to the body and press. All right, so let's recap. You got your wide grip, you got your neutral grip. Again, you want the handles to always be at your chest level, not down here at your shoulder level, right? We're trying to work that chest. So make sure that the handles are chest level, right? Wide grip, you're gonna work more of your chest, right? Less muscles are coming in as secondary. Obviously your shoulders and triceps are gonna come in regardless, but you get more of a chest activation here. Neutral grip, keep those elbows nice and tight to the body. You get more of the inner chest here. Activation, you gotta make sure when you're in the extension, you gotta squeeze that chest, but you get more of a tricep action here and you're getting some more shoulder, right? So you're getting less chest activation in the neutral grip. All right, y'all, so let's sum that up real quick, right? Wide grip, neutral grip. You want the seat to make sure that the handles have you at chest level, not at shoulder level. Wide grip, you're gonna have more of an entire chest being worked, right? Less shoulder, less tricep. They're still working, but less, right? Neutral grip, you're gonna get more tricep and more shoulder, less chest, but you're gonna get a little bit of chest activation more in your inner, right? So if you're pressing in and keep those elbows nice and tight to the body. Hope this helps someone. I just can't work. I just put in work. I just can't work.